Want an easy, tasty way to boost your health? Superfood smoothies are your answer. Packed with fruits, veggies, and good fats, they're like a vitamin bomb for your body. Need more energy? Improved digestion? Glowing skin? Superfood smoothies can help. These aren't your average sugary drinks. We're talking nutrient-dense blends that taste amazing and make you feel even better. Ready to dive in? Let's whip up some superfood magic. I've got 3 simple recipes to get you started on your journey to a healthier, happier you. Each one is packed with deliciousness and designed to make you feel fantastic. So grab your blender, your favorite ingredients, and let's get blending. Don't let the color fool you. This smoothie is out of this world. It's packed with leafy greens, creamy avocado, and a hint of sweetness. You won't even taste the spinach, promise. 1 cup spinach, a powerhouse of vitamins A, C, and K. It's great for your eyes, skin, and bones. Half an avocado. This creamy fruit is full of healthy fats, keeping you full and satisfied. 1 banana, naturally sweet. Bananas provide energy and are high in potassium, important for muscle function. Half a cup almond milk, a dairy-free alternative rich in vitamin E, good for your skin and immune system. 1 teaspoon chia seeds, tiny but mighty. Chia seeds are full of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, great for digestion and heart health. Blend everything until smooth and creamy. Pour into your favorite glass and enjoy a taste of the green galaxy. This smoothie is perfect for a quick breakfast or a post-workout energy boost. It's also a sneaky way to get your greens in, even if you're not a salad fan. This vibrant smoothie is bursting with antioxidants from colorful berries, fighting those pesky free radicals. Plus, it tastes like a berry-licious dessert. 1 cup mixed berries, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, antioxidant powerhouses. They protect your cells from damage and boost your immune system. Half a cup Greek yogurt, packed with protein. It keeps you feeling full and helps maintain strong bones. A 1/4 cup rolled oats, a good source of fiber. Oats help regulate digestion and keep you feeling satisfied. Half a cup apple juice naturally sweetens the smoothie and provides a boost of vitamin C. Blend it all up and enjoy a wave of berry-licious flavor. This smoothie is like a party in your mouth, with each sip bursting with fruity goodness. This antioxidant powerhouse is perfect for a refreshing snack or a healthy dessert alternative. It's also a great way to use up those leftover berries in your fridge. Section 4, Tropical Sunrise Smoothie, a vacation for your taste buds. Escape to a tropical paradise with every sip of this vibrant smoothie. It's like a mini vacation for your taste buds, with the sweetness of mango, the tang of pineapple, and a hint of coconut. 1 cup frozen mango chunks. Naturally sweet and tangy, mangoes are a good source of vitamins A and C. Half a cup pineapple chunks, a tropical delight. Pineapple aids digestion and contains bromelain, an enzyme with anti-inflammatory properties. 1/4 cup coconut milk adds a creamy texture and a hint of coconut flavor. Plus, it's a good source of healthy fats. Half a cup orange juice provides a boost of vitamin C and natural sweetness. Blend everything until smooth and creamy, then pour into a glass and imagine yourself on a tropical beach. This smoothie is perfect for a refreshing breakfast or a midday pick-me-up. It's like a tropical vacation in a glass, transporting you to a sunny paradise with every sip. Section 5, Supercharge Your Day. See? Making healthy smoothies is easy and fun. Get creative and experiment with your favorite fruits, veggies, and liquids. Add a handful of spinach to your favorite fruit smoothie, or try a squeeze of lemon for a refreshing twist. Don't be afraid to adjust the sweetness to your liking. Start with less and add more if needed. You can always add a drizzle of honey or maple syrup for extra sweetness. But remember, the natural sugars in fruits are usually enough. The possibilities are endless. So, go ahead and unleash your inner smoothie artist. Section 6. Embrace the smoothie lifestyle. Superfood smoothies are more than just a drink. They're a lifestyle. They're a delicious and convenient way to nourish your body from the inside out. By incorporating them into your daily routine, you're taking a proactive step towards a healthier and happier you. So ditch the sugary drinks and embrace the power of superfood smoothies. Your body will thank you for it. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. With a little creativity and some simple ingredients, you can whip up delicious and nutritious smoothies that will fuel your body and tantalize your taste buds. Now, go forth and blend your way to a healthier you.